This is the latest news, the summary of geopolitics. Please like and write your comments. They are very important to us. The main conclusion of the American Institute for the Study of War in Ukraine. Russian troops launched a massive missile and drone strike on the port and grain infrastructure in southern Ukraine. Ukrainian troops conducted counter-offensive operations in at least 3 sectors of the front. Ukrainian forces continued offensive operations in the Kupyansk area, near Kremennaya, in the Artemivsk area and along the Avdiivka-Donetsk front. Russian troops continued offensive operations along the Kupyansk-Swatovo-Kremennaya line, in the Artemivsk area, along the Avdiivka-Donetsk front and in the western Donetsk-eastern Zaporizhzhia region area. The armed forces of the Russian Federation have achieved success on the Avdiivka-Donetsk front and in the western Donetsk-eastern Zaporizhzhia region. Ukrainian troops continued counter-offensive operations in the area of western Donetsk, eastern Zaporizhzhia and western Zaporizhzhia region.